Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make a virtual reality effects to your video on CapCut. So here I have already on CapCut and I'm going to just start a new project. So for this edit, you need to record 4 or more screen recording videos of you scrolling your favorite social media and then import it to CapCut. So in this case, I'm going to import just like 4 and then click on collage, and here choose the format that you want, but I'm choosing this, and then after that click on the ratio and choose 9:16 and then click on continue and export this video. Okay, after it finished, just click on done and then start a new project and add a video of you scrolling your phone like this. Okay, here's just an example, and then add the video that you saved before as an overlay. You can adjust the size and also the position, so I'm going to put it in here. Okay, at the top of the phone, and then after that click on animation and then choose combo and then click on shrink and bounce, and here I'm going to lower the durations into just around 2 seconds and then click on the check icon, so the video will look like this. And then after that add another overlay. So in this case I'm using this gradient color overlay. I'm going to put it in here. Okay, click on the overlay and then go to splice, and here you can just choose which one that you think fits your video the best. So I'm going to just choose soft. Okay, I'm going to adjust the size first and then lower the splice, click on the check icon, and then I'm going to lower the opacity. Okay, click on the check icon, and then after that here is the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to like, comment, click on the thanks below and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.